Today I have a Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to show you how to change the display screen to dark mode in a Tesla Model Y. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I have the monitor display right in front of me. In order to change it to dark mode, what you'll want to do is you want to go to the bottom left corner where you see a Tesla icon right down here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And when I tap on that, it brings me up to this screen right here. Now, in order to get this to dark mode option, what I'll have to do is I'll have to look down and I'll have to get to the display icon. I'll zoom in really quickly so you can see that. There's a display icon. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And when I tap that, it brings me up to this screen right here. And on this screen, if you look to the top of the screen right here, it shows something that says appearance. And currently it's set in auto. And what auto does is it automatically adjusts dark mode and light mode. At nighttime, it'll go to dark mode, and during the daytime, it will go to light mode. I want to switch it to dark mode and get it out of the auto setting. In order to do that, I'll just simply come up here and I'll press dark. And just like that, it went to dark mode. And if I no longer want it in dark mode, I can either go to light and it switched to light mode, just like that, or go back to auto and it will automatically adjust the light mode and dark mode depending on if it's light or dark outside. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.